Hiya, Sean. Today we're going to talk about something that's extremely powerful, branding. This is not just about logos and color schemes. It's about telling a story, creating a vibe that resonates with your audience. All right, let's dive right in. Think about branding like preparing a meal that's going to win over your buddies at a barbecue. You want to cook up something more mouth-watering than your neighbor, right? That's what branding is about. Making your business more appealing to your target audience than your competitors. It's about influencing what your customers buy, just like how that juicy steak influences your buddies to come to your barbecue instead of your neighbors. Now let's talk about your brand identity. You've got your secret sauce, the flavors that you add to make your meal stand out. In the world of branding, this is your logo, your colors, your fonts, everything that gives your business a visual identity, just like a perfectly grilled steak. So you got the tastiest meal, but you also need a strategy. You gotta know who's coming to the barbecue. Are they vegans or are they meat lovers? You gotta know what the neighbor's cooking too. Are they serving up burgers or hot dogs? In the branding world, this is about knowing your audience, your competitors, and how you position yourself in the market. This is how you make sure you're the unique alternative that your audience craves. Let's talk about your brand's personality. This is how your brand speaks and behaves. It's like how you tell jokes and stories at your barbecue. Your tone, your choice of words, your brand messaging, they all make a difference. The spices you add to your meal to make it stand out, make it more memorable, and give people a reason to come back for more. Lastly, effective branding involves storytelling. Every great barbecue has great stories, right? Stories that make you laugh, make you think, and make you feel good. It's the same with branding. Your brand story should connect with your audience, should make them feel something. This is what solidifies your position in the market. This is how you make sure your barbecue, your brand, is the one that people remember. And there you have it. Branding is more than just a logo or a name. It's a journey, a story, an experience. So go out there and make your brand as appealing as that juicy steak at the barbecue and watch your business skyrocket. And remember, if this seems like a lot to you, I have a service that can help you with all of this and lead you in the right direction. Just send me a message or click the link in the comments of this video to get started on your path to getting your proper branding. Remember, you got this. Until next time, stay motivated, keep hustling, have a great